AAHAR 2026 Exhibitor Portal. First, scan the Exhibitor Portal QR code or open the portal link shared with you. Then log in using your registered exhibitor phone number or email ID. Once you log in, you will land on the dashboard overview page. Here you can view quick analytics, access the exhibitor directory, and also see the quick start guide to help you understand how to use the portal. Next, go to the exhibitor profile section and click on Edit Profile to update your exhibitor profile. Here you can add important details about your company, such as company description, product categories, contact details, company information. Why this is important? Your exhibitor profile will automatically appear in the AAHAR Official mobile app, helping you digitally promote your company to visitors and buyers attending the event. After entering the details, click on Save Changes. Next, click on Exhibitor Badges to add the team members who will attend the event. Fill in the required details: name, mobile number, email ID, designation. After entering the details, click on Add Member. Why this is important? Only the members whose mobile numbers are added in the portal will get access to the AAHAR mobile app.